Let us start the Python programming. Let us open the core program of the Python. As we know, Python installation were done for the core software. Python requires editor also. Various editors are there. So Python core along with the editor, then we can do the long projects in the editor. So longer programs can be written into editor and executed, run into the editor. And in core only, the Python prompt is there, that in front of prompt, one by one instructions or commands we can give and we can execute those commands. So that we will see today. Let us check the prompt execution in front of prompt. Basic arithmetic operations, input and print, that is input and display or output functions. So this is very small font size. We can enhance this. So we know Python as having three components. One is core. Let us magnify this. Python is having three components. One is core software, second is editor, and third is, as per requirement, the various libraries. So let us type 1. This is the arithmetic number 1. Similar to that, suppose A is the variable. So to A we assign some value. So A is the variable. Assignment operator is equal sign, and whatever written on the other side of the equal sign, that expression or value is assigned to A variable. So variable name can be anything, A, B, C, D, or age, or student name. Okay. So let us give A equal to 1. So this 1 is assigned to A. If you want to execute it, we have to press the enter key. For executing, we have to press the enter key. So enter key is pressed. Then A1 is assigned to A. Okay. If you want to check, again type A and press the enter key. The value of A will be shown. A, enter, value is 1. Similarly, some other variable B equal to say 2. Enter key, B is assigned 2 value. So again check B, enter 2 value. Similar to C, let us take one more variable C. But now C is having the C is now having the expression assignment. Expression is A plus B. A is one variable, B is one variable, addition of A and B is done, and it is assigned to C. Whatever the expression value is calculated is assigned to C. So C is now having value A plus B, that is 1 plus 2. That must be 3. If you want to check, type C, enter. It is 3. So these are the variables A, B, C. Now if you want to display, suppose, so we can use the print function. This is inbuilt function. Print function, input function are the inbuilt functions. In print function we can use the text or number. Text, if it is used text, it should be in single inverted comma or double inverted comma. Let us take the single inverted comma, execute it by pressing the enter key. So hello world is output. hello world is output. Similar to single quote, if you want to use double quote, you can use double quote, double inverted comma. Hello world is executed and printed as output. When to use double quote and when to use single quote. Suppose we have a message or text, let's program. This is the message. In this the apostrophe inverted is there. Okay, in double inverted comma it is executed, but if you use single inverted comma for this text, suppose let's program is a text and we use single inverted comma and enter the press the enter key, then it shows the error because single inverted comma is similar to the apostrophe sign, so it get confused, software get confused, Python get confused, so it shows the invalid syntax. So for this we have to use double inverted, then it can execute. So if you want to use the single quote in some other form in the text, we have to use the double inverted comma. Now we can concatenate the values also, but before that we check the value. So print A, A's value is printed, print B, B's value is printed, print C, C's value 3 is printed. Similarly the string can be printed and its values can be printed. So for string we use the double quote and A is there. So this A is the string and not the variable. So string A and this is variable A. Variable A gives its value 1 and string A gives as it is string as the output. Okay, variable A gives its value, string A gives as it is the string A as output. That is the difference. Okay. So we have to always keep into this mind. Then we can type the message, suppose any message, the value is colon double inverted completed and plus sign. So this plus sign is a concatenation operator in the print. It concatenates, plus concatenates the first message, the value is message, colon, value is colon message, and the next message. Suppose now we have written the A is the variable. A is not in quote, means it is variable. If it is in the quote, you will be text as it is. But it shows the error. What is the error? It can only concatenate str and not int. So variable A is the int, integer. Variable A is one value. Variable A is one value. It cannot concatenate the value is string. String and number cannot be concatenated. So what we will do? We convert A value into string value by function str. Function str is used to convert A's one value into string one value. String 1. A's value is integer, int. Now convert that one into string and then two strings can be concatenated and it can be printed. Now press the enter, it will give the output as the value is colon 1. Okay, str1, that means this one is now not the number, this one is now string. This one is string, not the number, it is string. Now the value is a string, one is str, A is a string. Now let us, so this A, this is the print A is done, this is the number, and str A is printed, this is the string. Print A is there, this is number, and this one is number, and other this one, the value is 1, this one is string. Print A, this is number. Now let us check the input function, that is input, inbuilt function input. So in input, print is the output function and input is the input function. So in input function, in the bracket we can give the message also in the single inverted or double inverted quote. So what is the value you have entered? Enter the value. Short message we will keep. And complete the bracket. This value we have read is assigned to variable D. Okay, this whatever input is reading the value is assigned. This is assignment operator, equal sign. So this value is assigned to D, assignment operator. Please let us press enter key. Enter the value message is displayed. Now let us enter 5. So the D is assigned 5 value. So if you press D, then this quote is shown on both sides of the 5. That means 5 is text string now. 5 is string, not the number. A is 1, no quote is there. B is 2, no quote is there. C is 3. So these are the numbers 1, 2, 3. But 5 is not number, it is not a number, it is text. It is string. It is string. Input always gives string. Whenever we read, take the input, input function always gives out string, not a number. So D is having, D is a variable, it is having the value that is assigned to it as a 5, as a string. 5 is a string. Let us check what happens to you of using the D into the mathematical expression. 5 is string. So let us take suppose E equals A plus B, small b plus C, because it is case sensitive. If it is small b, you have to take small b, not capital B. It is case sensitive. So executed. So E is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. So check it. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this mathematical expression is executed and its value is assigned to E. Assignment operator is there. So E is now having 6 value. E, enter 6, correct. Now if we try to use D into the expression, but D is now string, it shows error if you execute it. So this is unsupported operand type for plus. So this plus is arithmetic addition. So int and, let us make it small. So int and str, unsupported operand for int and str. So we have to convert str into int. Just now before 2 minutes we have converted int into str, isn't it? So here, yes, here the value is, so this plus a was giving the error. A is the integer, So this one, this a is integer. Now we have converted into str, string. So this a integer is converted into string. So we can convert integer into string. Similar to that, string into integer can be converted. So this string and this string can be concatenated. So this plus sign in the print is concatenation operator, and the plus sign next is addition operator in the arithmetic. Okay. Now here we convert d into integer. D is the string and it is converted into integer. Now it has become 5 has become integer. So let us press the enter key. Executed correctly without error. So a is having value 11. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. So this 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay. So in this way, in arithmetic, all the values should be in the integer or float, not in the string. String cannot be used for arithmetic operation. Okay. So we have seen now the arithmetic operation, conversion of string into integer and assignment to the variable e. So let us take f and we check various arithmetic operations. So if you use the asterisk, suppose b and c, 2 and 3 is 6. 2 into 3 6, because b is 2, c is 3. We know. So b is 2, c is 3. So that's why f is 2 into 3 6. And then b c is 3, b is 2. Okay. Then asterisk is multiplication. B into c is multiplied and it is assigned to f. Now let us say we are having g, one more variable, suppose, equals to c divided by b. So that is 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2. So executed. G is having value 1.5. It is correct. Float value is there 1.5. So we have seen addition, multiplication, division. So let us have h. C minus a. Subtraction is also done. So what is h now? 2. 3 minus 1. A is 1. H is 2. Similar to this, we can, instead of having single division, slash, if we use the 2 slash values, instead of single slash, if we use 2 slash values, then what will be the g? G is 1 only. Okay, not 1.5. So that fraction is omitted, truncated, we can say, truncated. So only the integer value is given, assigned out of this division. So 2 slash and single slash division. Single slash division is normal division. 2 slash division is truncating the fraction value. Okay, so this is the difference. Single slash, 2 slash. 1.5, the fraction value 0.5 is truncated and given only one value. Now we can check the, similar to double slash, is 11, b is 2. We can check the percentage operation. E is 11, b is 2. Okay. Let us check j is equal to e percentage b. Percentage is remainder in the division operator. Mod operator it is called, mod operator. So j is only 1. So j is what? The remainder in the division. 11 by 2. 2 divides 11, and what is remaining remains in 1 remainder. So this is mod operator. So J is mod operator. 2 5s are 10, subtracted 10 remains 1. Okay, that is J. Similar to mod operator, one more operator is there. K, suppose K is equal to, sorry, not equal to, suppose, let us check, C double asterisk 2. So double asterisk is power, C to the power 2. So executed. K is C square, 3 square, C is a 3. So 9. So suppose instead of 2, if you take 3, instead of 3 you can take variable also, C to the power C. So 3 to the power 3 is 3 to the power 3. It is 27 now. His value is changed to 27, isn't it? So in this way we have seen the different operators, arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, division, mod operator, then power operator, then single slash, double slash, okay, truncated division. So in addition to that, the print and input commands, functions. So these are the arithmetic operators and input output functions we have seen. Thank you.